Alrighty, good morning guys, welcome back to another trucking vlog. It is currently Friday. We're starting with a fresh week of footage. Today I had to clear it off at that receiver I was at, but I got unloaded and now we're headed to our pickup. We got 30 miles and then it's a good load. It's going all the way over to Ohio, so it's like, I want to say it's like almost 900 miles total or something like that. I think I'm delivering to a Tractor Supply DC, which is weird. I've picked up from a Tractor Supply store, but I don't think I've delivered to a DC here at GP. It's always been, it's always been a CFI thing to go to Tractor Supply, but it says TSC, so I'm pretty sure we're going to Tractor Supply. We'll probably try to get within 100 miles, so drive as much as we can today, drive as much as we can tomorrow, and we'll pretty much be there for sure. So it'd be nice if there's like a Love's like right next to it or something. But yeah, we're gonna stop at a Quick Trip here. Well, I guess we got more than 32 miles there, but there's a Quick Trip here in 32 miles. I'm gonna stop and get lunch because Quick Trip honestly is actually pretty good gas station. I'd say Rutter's beats it out. I'd say my list probably goes, I would say Rutter's is number one, but they don't have very many locations. So it goes Love's, Rutter's, Quick Trip, and then any TA that has a Popeyes is instantly the next one. But if they don't have a Popeyes, then they're like just right above a 1.9. So actually I do think TA is better than Flying J, because Flying J always has Denny's, and screw Denny's, dude, that is a joke. Alright, so we're gonna put it in door 26, which I haven't opened my doors yet, but there's a lot of room to open my doors, so, and I gotta throw a strap in the back. It's hard to see those lines. Oh my goodness, she wants to be jumpy today. I'm guessing we probably need to be pretty much on that line, so I'm gonna kind of travel it. Now I need to get under it. I should have just went hard already, but I guess I'll just take you guys with. You haven't been outside in a little bit. I gotta take the dogs out. He said one or two. I'll just go ahead and throw two because they're not the good straps. They're these like ones that you pull tight. So I'll just go ahead and throw two in there. Guessing it's probably gonna be pretty heavy load. Just a guess. You know, wouldn't like you know, guess or anything, but I don't even know what I'm saying. Good old Tractor Supply load. I should have known. I got here and he's like, what's your SH number? It's such a Tractor Supply thing. Just want to throw them in there. Kind of doing this backwards, but the doors don't open right, so I got to open them both to pull that one open. Trust me, I yanked on it already. Pretty clean trailer. I don't have a broom right now, so I told Cornell only clean loads and no places that are sticklers about having a dirty trailer, because I left my broomstick in my old truck and went to HQ the other day, tried to find it, and they threw it away. So I don't have a broomstick. I have a broom, it's in here, no stick. So should just pretty much be a straight back from here though. And then I gotta grab one of those wheel chocks, because otherwise I'll probably get yelled at or something. almost there. See, I hate this truck, dude. It's so jumpy. Maybe another foot. There it is. I was like 90% sure that this load was gonna be heavy as hell. And he brings out the BOLs and it's 5,000 pounds. So we got 852 miles on this load, and that's gonna put us up to like 2,600 miles for the week. Not a terrible week, it's pretty solid. If I could just hit 2,600 every week, I'd be all right. Oh, I got the hiccups. I had chocolate milk earlier. I don't know if chocolate milk causes the hiccups, but $2 car wash? Oh, I guess that's about right for self-serve. But yeah, so my gauge thing isn't working. It's like works half the time it doesn't, but I don't really need it because I only have 5,000 pounds. So I also have my suspension pressure here. Oh, I can't turn left out of here? What? Are you serious? Are you serious? Hopefully they have a cutout for a turnaround. I can't make a U-turn like a car. So we're light again. I'm gonna get used to being light, and then all of a sudden I'm gonna get a heavy load and forget what it feels like. I know Minnesota would, or Michigan would have like a cutout for trucks to make a U-turn, but I don't know if Minnesota do that. And I don't like making U-turns on public roads like this in a semi. You really got to judge everything correctly. You got to know you have enough time to get turned around. You got to know you have enough time to get up to speed, which we're light, so that helps. I think that we see, oh boy. This red car's going too slow. And those signs do not help. All right, we are gonna go, I probably could have went there, but we're gonna go after this black car here. Step on the gas, peeps, come on. You are not helping me out, come on. Watch this side, use all of our room, that way we can get over. Alright, we're good. We woke up late today. We've already driven 2 hours. I had to redo this exact scene right here that I'm doing right now. My radio said something inappropriate, so I didn't want someone to see that in the video and they'd be like, oh Jay, we see you. So yeah, so I had to change it to Spotify and close out the page. But it was pretty funny. I saw it. I'm glad I saw it because I would have been like going the whole day with that. But we drove 2 hours so far today. We got 389 to our delivery Monday morning. We got to do a 34, so I'm gonna drive 175 miles right now, stop at a Love's, grab a quick shower, and then I can stop anywhere for a 34, rest area, TA, pilot, doesn't have to be a Love's. So that's the game plan. And yeah, so 388 miles total. It'd probably be down to like 150 maybe. I'll probably drive like well, might be less because that's pretty much 200, and I'm not gonna get a shower and then only drive 25 miles. So probably get down below 100 miles then, and then stop and do my 34 at probably a rest area, because these rest areas in Ohio are pretty solid. So all right, so we got our shower. We're looking all clean. Getting ready to roll out here. I think we got all of them on. Just did my tug test. We're gonna drive 168 miles. There's a rest area. Has parking all day. Big rest area. It's got like a restaurant in it. Yeah, so that's where we're headed. then we're gonna go do our 34 there. Those rest areas in Ohio, honestly, guys, like, I don't know if you've ever stopped at them. They're really not that bad. They're better than most Pilots and Flying J's. I don't think they're better than the Loves, but I do think they're better than Pilots and Flying J's. They got multiple restaurant options. I think the one I'm going to has a Pizza Hut, which I wish I had a Sbarro, because Sbarro actually has pretty good pizza. But it has a Pizza Hut and a Burger King is what I got from the reviews. And Burger King's scam artist for truckers, but you get them with their 8-piece nugget. You get like 8-piece nugget for like $3. That's a pretty good deal. That's like the only good deal on the menu. So we're gonna get back on the interstate, drive another 168 miles and shut her down, and then we're gonna clean up some of this trash. I got most of it bagged. I got 2 drinks on the ground that I'm still drinking, kind of, because I just got a Pepsi, so I should have finished those first, but I used my Loves points for the Pepsi. So all right, guys, we are stopping at the rest area. We're gonna do our 34. It leaves us 77 miles to drive Monday morning to our delivery. That's if we can find a spot, but I'm fairly certain we can. So I don't know how close it will be, but a spot's a spot. So it's kind of late. It's 8:40, or it's 9:40 because we're in Eastern time now. But I don't think we'll have that hard of a time finding a spot, really. These rest areas in Ohio have so much parking, it's insane. So I'll probably go down probably to the 3rd row. So 1, 2, and then the 3rd row, we'll cut it up, and we should be able to find a spot in that row pretty easily, I'd assume. Look at me calling the shots. I'm gonna park next to this Prime here. I mean, 3rd row is not ideal, but it's not that far. So anyways, we will see you guys Monday morning.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning, and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.